Want to change your name on Facebook? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Start by opening the Facebook app on your iPhone. Tap the three lines menu in the bottom right corner, then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. From there, tap on Settings. Next, tap on Account Center, then tap on the Profiles option. Now, select your Facebook account, then choose Name. Now enter your new first name, middle name, or last name as you want it to appear. Once you've typed your new name, tap Review Change. Facebook will show you how your new name will look. Select the option you prefer, enter your Facebook password, and tap Save Changes. Keep in mind, Facebook only allows you to change your name once every 60 days, so make sure you're happy with it before saving. And that's it. You've successfully changed your name on Facebook. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Facebook and iPhone tips.